This is the Antidious smoke absorber for when you're soldering. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I'm kind of glad it's not as big as it looks like it is in the pictures. Let me give you a real quick rundown here. So 6.5 inches, well, including the fan on the back, 4.5 inches, about 8 inches tall. It's nice, small, and compact. It's made out of an ABS plastic material, and it's really light. The cable length on here is 5 foot long. It came with these filters, and it says they're a urethane foam and activated carbon. It says it comes with 2 filters, but in reality, it actually comes with 3. Pull it out. It makes it great for blowing it out if you want to do that. And you just set it back in there. Super simple. It's got a little noise, you know it's working. It's got 3 different switch settings on it. The middle is the off position. If you turn it to the right, the fan kicks on, middle off, kick it to the left, and the fan and the light kick on, which I think is a pretty awesome feature, having that light on there. Let's get these guys off of here. You can see it drawing the smoke right into the fan, so that's kind of cool. I kind of like this. Not that we all don't love the smell of solder in the morning. Alright, I turned the light off just so you can see how much light this thing actually casts on here. And I'm going to be honest, when I walked down the street, nobody has ever once said, "There goes Randy, the best there ever was at soldering." But check it out how it's pulling that smoke. I like that. And it works exactly as it's intended to work. The Antidious smoke absorber, fume remover. Pretty awesome, works great.